The morning is the most important part of the day. When you win the morning, you have a better chance of winning the afternoon and the evening too. The first thing you should do every morning is to drink water. 70% of your body is made of water, so it's essential to keep it fresh and topped up to keep the body working properly. During sleep, you typically haven't been drinking for about 7 to 8 hours or even longer. Giving the body water first when you wake up is a great way to get your body and mind going. We suggest you to drink about 1 or 2 glasses of fresh water, and if you want to, you can add some lemon to it. Lemon contains vitamin C, which supports brain function, your immune system, and boosts your mood. On top of that, it just tastes better than normal water. The second thing you should do is simple 3-minute mobility routine. When waking up, your body is usually a bit stiff. Doing mobility exercise in the morning will warm up and mobilize your muscles, lubricate your joints, and increase brain functions too. Exercising in general improves your mood, your physical and mental energy, and enhances your metabolism. You start in a deep squat position and hold it for about 30 seconds. If you like, you can add some smooth motion to it. After that, you do downward dog to cobra pose for 60 seconds straight. Repeat this one more time and you are done with your morning mobility training. When you do the deep squat, go as deep as possible without losing the tension. Keep your heels on the ground and duct your thighs. Keep your spine straight, tuck your chin, and pull your shoulder blades together. The most benefits will come from small addition movements like reaching up with one or both the arms, circling your knees, tilting upper body forward, and so on. When you do downward dog to cobra pose, you start in a downward dog position and try to move your armpits towards your toes as far as possible. You can also add rotations and shoulder movements in this position to stretch the lats, your obliques, and activate the muscles around your shoulder blades. From there, you switch to push-up position with a rounded spine and continue the transition with the cobra pose and an extended spine. In this way, you mobilize your spine and activate the muscles around it. The last thing you should do every morning is eating a healthy breakfast. On the other hand, it is also possible to skip the breakfast. For example, when you do intermittent fasting. Depending on how you eat in general and what you plan for the day, you can benefit from both the options. A good start for the day are oats with water or milk and some fruits. Oats have a lot of important minerals and vitamins. They improve your gut functions and are a good non-animal based protein source. The complex carbohydrates are digested slowly and don't raise the blood sugar levels too quickly. Fruits and especially berries are very good to give your body further important nutrients. And at last, if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel to get the notifications of upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy. See you in the next video.